Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a ball coil earring hook. It's a simple technique that adds a lovely handmade touch to your earrings. So let's get started. We'll need about 5 cm of 0.8mm jewelry wire for the hook and about 10 cm of 0.3mm wire for the coil. First, let's straighten the 0.8mm wire. Hold one end with your chain nose pliers and gently run your silicone-tipped pliers along the wire a few times until it's nice and straight. Use your round nose pliers to make a small loop at one end of the wire. Then gently adjust the loop so it sits neatly in line with the wire. Now slide on a 1.5mm spacer bead. This part is completely up to you. You can use a round spacer, a square one, a tiny crystal, or even skip the bead altogether if you prefer more minimal look. Next, take your 0.3mm wire and place it against the long side of the hook wire, right above the spacer bead. Start wrapping it slowly and neatly around the wire to create a tight little coil. Once you are happy with the coil, trim away the excess wire from both ends. Then, use your bent chain nose pliers or regular chain nose pliers if that's what you have to gently press the ends down so they are secure and sit neatly against the coil. Now, grab your chain nose pliers again. Measure about 5mm above the spacer bead. Then make a 9-degree bend in the wire. For the next step, place that straight section horizontally between the sections 3 and 4 of your round nose pliers, using section 4 to shape the curve. Gently bend the wire inward to form the hook. Once you are happy with the curve, make a slight bend near the middle of the hook. This small adjustment helps the earring sit more comfortably and securely when it's worn. Before we finish, don't forget to file the cut end until it's completely smooth. It only takes a few seconds, but it makes a huge difference. A smooth tip is much more comfortable to wear, helps prevent scratching your ear, and gives your handmade earring a beautiful professional finish. You can add only a coil, finish it with a bead and coil, or leave it just as it is. It's completely up to you and the style you are going for. Finally, attach your favorite charm and lenga. And just like that. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'll be happy if you gave this video a like and subscribe for more jewelry making tutorials. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!